Hi, I am Lakshman Chalwadi from Sindur Tutors Jamkandi. Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss for that the one of the great topic called as data and indirect speech. In the last video we have taken for rules and also one example. So we have to take for that one more example for a data and indirect speech. I hope this video will help to the students for a PUC second year. I request you please subscribe our channel and share. We have to take the one more example on that data and indirect speech. So which can help to the students for a second PUC because of which has a 5 marks. Okay, let us see how to convert reported speech. We have to take for that one of the example. The which has been I selected from that tutorial. Yes, that is a very interesting story. Yes, here you know that here this kind of a conversation which has been started between minister and a criminal. Okay, first the minister what he asked that why do you not run away? There is no God to keep you. So when he heard the minister words, what kind of a reply has been come from directly? Criminal. Yes, he replied that I will not run away. I have nowhere to go. You have ruined my character by your sentence. So this kind of a conversation we clearly understood. So when we clearly understood, then that is easy to convert into reported speech. Okay, let's see for that how to change into reported speech. The students, the first we have to take for that here the minister. It means the minister is a reporter here. Who is the reporter here? Minister is the reporter. The first we have to take that a reporter. Minister. When we have written the minister, then we have to select the reporting verb. That is very important here. So then we are going to select the reporting verb. Reporting verb is very important here because that is different from the sentence. The first you have to try to understand here the given statement is in the form of which sentence. Okay, so we have identified here. So this is in the form of interrogative sentence. This sentence which has been in the form of interrogative. So therefore we have to select the reporting verb as a asked here. Yes. When we have written the reporting verb, then we have to take the object. So which is the object here? Criminal. Okay. Minister asked criminal. So therefore we have to write the criminal here. Okay. So then we have written the object. So then we are going to select the linking word. Okay. So here we use linking word or not here. Now linking word ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬಾರದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು because of so here WS Powerment. So when we have seen the WS Powerment is there, we can't take any kind of a linking word. Already know that. Dear students, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So WS Powerment ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಲಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So ಹೀಗಾಗಿ so directly we have to take for that WS Powerment. So what is there? We have to select that one. Okay. So here WS Powerment is the why is here. So therefore we have to take why. Okay. So when we have done the WS Powerment, so know that here this is in the form of interrogative. So while we are going to change into reported speech, that sentence will be changed into assertive sentence. Okay, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the given statement is in the form of interrogative, then you have to change into assertive. That's very important here. You know here the first you have to take for the subject. Okay, you refers to who? You refers to directly to the criminal. Okay, so therefore we are going to select the, yes, you would be turned as he. Okay, then, so this is in the form of negative. Okay, then we have to identify the given statement is in the form of simple present tense with a interrogative form. So then we are going to select this kind of a sentence into simple past with a negative sentence. Okay, so very simple. So ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ we are going to make it a simple past tense. That is very important. SP into SP. Okay, so therefore we are going to select as you refers to criminal, therefore we have selected as a he pronoun. So then we have identified the given statement is in the form of simple present, then you have changed into simple past. So very simple, this is in the form of negative, so we are going to make it also in the form of negative. So do will be changed as did here. Do, did. Not, not. Not, not. Run, run. Away, away. Yes, it has been completed. We got 1 mark from this sentence. Yes, so once more you have to see for that here. First speaker, minister, so therefore we have selected as a reporter here. Then we have selected a reporting verb asked because the given statement is the form of interrogative, therefore we have selected reporting verb as asked. Then we selected the object, it means criminal. So then we have directly selected the WH format because we can't take any kind of a linking word here, because so that is in the form of interrogative with a WH format, so therefore we can't take any kind of a linking word, directly we have taken WH format. Fine. So then you refers to criminal, therefore we have selected he as a pronoun. So then we have identified the given statement is in the form of simple present tense with a interrogative sentence. So then we have changed into simple past by making did, then not, not, run, run, away, away. That's all. So we got 1 marks. So let us, we have take for that. Minister further told that. What he further told to the criminal? Yes, let us, we have to continue. He refers to minister. He told that. He told that. Then there, it can't change. There is will be changed was. Okay, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತದ ವಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ವಾಸ್, ನೋ, God, keep. Then dear students, this pronoun you will be changed him, because that could be refers to the criminal, so therefore that will be changed as him. That's all. So you got a 2 marks here. So then we have to take for that criminal. So what he asked or what reply has been come from that criminal? Which kind of reply has been come from that criminal? Okay, criminal told minister minister. Okay, so when we have written the when we have written the speaker, it means reporter. Then we have selected a reporting word told because it is in the form of assertive. Then we have selected the object minister. Okay, so then and we have to identify given statement is in the form of which sentence. So this is in the form of assertive, so therefore we are going to select the linking word that here. Okay, so when you have written the conjunction, it means linking word, so then we are going to change the pronoun I refers to criminal, because of criminal is going to tell for that as everything to the minister, so therefore I will be changed he will would be changed as would, will would be changed as would. Then not run away. Okay, dear students, just you have to see for that criminal told to the minister, then we have selected that as a linking word, then I will be changed as he, because of we are going to express that. Yes, so when we heard that words, then we are going to change. Okay, so therefore we have selected I will be changed as he, then will changed as would. Okay, not run away. Okay, so then we have to see for that next one. He further told that yes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತಾನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬರ್ಸ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, he continued, therefore we have selected he further told that. He refers to the criminal. Okay, then told that, then I will be changed as he, I will be changed as he. Then have will be changed as had. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ have ಹೋಗಿ had ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. Then nowhere where to go, that's all. We got and the mass. Then yes, then we are going to change this sentence also. Yes, here you have arranged my character by your sentence. Okay, you refers to here, you refers to the ministers, that's important. You refers to the ministers. Okay, you refers to the minister. So yes, he told that, he said or told that they, you will be changed as they. This is present perfect tense, then you have changed into past perfect tense. They had reigned, that could not be changed. Third form, reigned. So my means here, that could be refers to criminal. It means his character by then you refers to the ministers, that will be changed as their sentence. Okay, so this is, we have changed the reporter's speech. Yes, I hope you got everything from this video. Okay, I wish you all the very best for your examinations. Good luck. Okay, I will see you in the next video.